Imagine an airport so massive, it's shaped like a flower. Two grand terminals, stretching nearly 3 kilometers apart, connected by a shuttle that never sleeps. Step inside, and you're not in a waiting hall. You're in a garden. Glass skylights pour in daylight. Green atriums breathe life into every corner. Nature-inspired architecture wraps around you like you've landed somewhere extraordinary before your journey even begins. With a capacity to welcome 120 million passengers every year, this isn't just an airport, it's a world of its own. A true engineering marvel where the world takes off.
This is China's busiest aviation hub, built to move 120 million people a year. But building this colossal gateway to southern China required moving mountains, literally. The original 1932 airport was landlocked by the city, forcing engineers to start from scratch 28 kilometers north. The Ground Zero operation demanded thousands of workers pouring millions of tons of concrete into the earth. Before the terminals could rise, they had to construct a massive subterranean transit hub directly beneath the tarmac. Deep foundation piles were driven into the bedrock to support the unimaginable weight of the mega terminals. Terminal 1 was the first to rise, a sweeping wave-roofed structure designed to handle millions. Every steel joint was forged by hand, demanding precision welding in extreme southern heat. The summer sun turned the steel into branding irons, but the construction never slowed. To keep up with exploding global travel, developers launched an aggressive expansion, adding Terminal 2. Terminal 2 pushed the boundaries, requiring ultra-modern facilities and thousands of tons of structural steel.
Parallel to the terminals, an army of machines laid down the first 3 massive runways. Specialized automated pavers poured thousands of cubic meters of concrete every hour.
These runways weren't just roads. They were engineered monoliths designed to absorb the impact of massive Boeing 777s.
By 2018, Terminal 2 opened, making Baiyun one of the largest airport facilities on the planet.
But even with 2 massive terminals, the airport was reaching its limits.
The solution was Phase 3, a 53 billion yuan mega project to build the ultimate Terminal 3.
Designed as a blooming flower to honor Guangzhou's legacy, T3 would cover nearly 7 million square feet.
This wasn't just a building. It was an engineering marvel requiring next-generation construction tactics.
The ultimate challenge? They had to build this colossal expansion while the rest of the airport remained fully operational. Construction crews worked just yards away from active taxiways, requiring flawless logistical coordination. To prevent disaster, engineers relied on advanced 3D building information modeling. Digital rehearsals allowed them to detect and resolve over 3,000 structural clashes before a single beam was placed. 80% of the massive steel components were prefabricated digitally off-site. This reduced material waste and ensured millimeter precision for the complex flower-shaped grid.
A massive logistical pipeline moved 20,000 metric tons of steel into the live airport zone. On site, the massive flower petals of the terminal roof began to take shape. Workers bolted the massive grid together, suspended hundreds of feet in the air. To speed up construction, they utilized a high-altitude hydraulic lifting method. Massive sections of the roof were assembled on the ground and hoisted upward in perfect unison. Thousands of tons of steel defied gravity, locking into place high above the concourse.
The structural integrity had to be flawless to withstand the region's extreme typhoons.
Slowly, the colossal flower began to bloom across the tarmac. To meet aggressive deadlines, the project deployed intelligent construction robotics. Automated wall plastering machines worked alongside human muscle to finish massive interior spaces. Robotic transport units hauled heavy materials, boosting site efficiency by over 500 cubic meters an hour.
Every piece of material was tracked in real time using QR codes and RFID chips.
The roof was engineered for extreme sustainability, capturing daylight without trapping the scorching summer heat.
Thousands of massive smart glass panels were installed to form the building's exterior envelope.
Specialized UV and temperature-resistant sealants were applied by hand to weatherproof the colossal structure. Advanced drainage arteries were embedded within the steel to channel massive monsoon downpours away from the terminal.
Simultaneously, the Phase 3 expansion added the airport's 4th and 5th runways.
The 5th runway stretched an incredible 3,600 meters. It was custom-built to handle the heaviest aircraft in the global fleet, including fully loaded Airbus A350s.
This made Baiyun the first airport in China to operate 5 massive commercial runways simultaneously.
Powering this mega complex required laying hundreds of miles of high-voltage subterranean cables. Inside Terminal 3, crews began assembling colossal indoor botanical gardens. Bringing the City of Flowers to life meant transplanting ancient tree parks directly into the concourse.
Below ground, the new transportation hub integrated high-speed rail directly into the terminal's foundation.
Every detail, from massive expansion joints to the polished stone floors, was executed with military precision.
They even constructed the first massive open-air airport observation deck in the country.
Massive suspended art installations were locked into the ceiling grid, requiring heavy tension rigging. The heavy machinery of the baggage tunnels was assembled by crews working deep in the subterranean levels.
The airport also expanded its massive cargo capabilities, hosting the largest FedEx hub outside the United States.
The cargo mega facility operates its own control tower and high-speed sorting arteries. This allows the airport to process an astonishing 3.8 million tons of heavy freight annually.
With 5 runways and 3 massive terminals, the footprint of the airport became virtually a city of its own.
The physical toll on the thousands of workers who built this mega structure was immense.
But their brute strength, combined with cutting-edge digital engineering, created an indestructible masterpiece.
As the massive scaffolding was stripped away, the true scale of the Flower Terminal was revealed.
The heavy machinery fell silent, and the final architectural finishes were locked into place.
Terminal 3 was designed to be entirely paperless, utilizing massive arrays of biometric scanners.
The departure hall is a cavernous expanse of light and steel, capable of swallowing multiple massive aircraft fuselages.
Thousands of massive LED arrays were installed to illuminate the terminal's complex geometry at night.
The newly operational runways immediately absorbed the impact of the world's heaviest super jumbos.
Today, this mega hub connects southern China to over 220 destinations worldwide.
Handling over 80 million passengers demands flawless, heavy-duty ground operations. The massive subterranean APM trains shuffle thousands of passengers between the sprawling terminals in minutes.
It is a 3-tiered mega machine of concrete, steel, and kinetic energy.
Overseeing the chaos is the towering Air Traffic Control Center, built to withstand the heaviest seismic shocks. Out on the ramp, the infrastructure endures constant punishment from thousands of tons of metal rolling over it daily. The advanced material science applied to the massive roof ensures it will survive decades of brutal southern heat. Maintaining this colossal facility requires an army of heavy machinery operating around the clock. Every weld, every massive bolt, stands as a testament to the sheer manpower required to build it.
Yet inside, the massive engineering gives way to tranquil, colossal indoor ecosystems.
The airport's massive basement acts as a high-speed funnel, pulling the city directly into the aviation network.
Deep underground, massive blast-proof doors and emergency systems protect the subterranean transit hub. The Ground Transportation Center is a mega-structure in its own right, handling thousands of heavy vehicles daily.
A colossal centralized cooling plant pumps millions of gallons of chilled water to tame the humid tropical climate. The subterranean mechanical rooms are a fortress of heavy iron pipes and massive industrial chillers. Combined, the three terminals represent one of the largest concentrations of continuous roof space on Earth. The sheer footprint of the airport mega-complex could swallow the financial district of Manhattan. It took years of relentless, heavy labor to transform this massive expanse of land. Engineered to shrug off massive typhoons, the complex is an impenetrable fortress of steel and glass. The massive smart glass facade acts as a dynamic shield, constantly adjusting to the harsh environment. With the 5 massive runways fully operational, the airport processes an aircraft movement almost every minute. The maintenance facilities alone are massive enough to house entire fleets of wide-body heavy jets.
At night, the massive cargo hub roars to life, moving millions of tons of heavy global freight.
Automated massive sorting belts operate with lethal efficiency, processing heavy loads at unprecedented speeds. But even with automation, the heavy lifting of global commerce still relies on raw human strength. The airport acts as a massive beating heart, pumping life into the sprawling mega-region of southern China.
Consuming massive amounts of power, the complex requires dedicated heavy-duty electrical substations. Maintaining the massive canopy requires dedicated crews working around the clock at dizzying heights. The perfection of the massive flower roof is a testament to the power of 3D digital engineering. It is a triumph forged in fire, heavy steel, and millions of hours of grueling labor. Terminal 2 set the massive benchmark, earning a 5-star rating for its sprawling, hyper-efficient design. Even the massive baggage carousels were engineered to handle the heavy loads of continuous international flights. Armies of heavy-duty vehicles swarm the massive apron, ensuring the beast never stops moving.
The massive parking infrastructure alone holds thousands of heavy vehicles across multiple sprawling concrete decks.
During construction, massive digital arrays monitored environmental impact, ensuring the heavy machinery didn't choke the site. The men who built this massive complex endured some of the most grueling conditions on the planet.
But the result is a massive architectural masterpiece that redefines global aviation. This massive hub anchors one of the heaviest industrialized regions on Earth. The massive distances between terminals are bridged by a heavy-duty automated rail network. Beneath the massive tarmac, a complex heavy-duty hydraulic system pumps millions of gallons of jet fuel.
Fueling the massive global fleet requires precision and heavy-duty industrial hardware.
From the original massive wave roof of Terminal 1 to the sprawling, 5-star massive expanse of Terminal 2.
to the crowning jewel, the massive blooming flower of Terminal 3. This 53 billion yuan mega project shattered massive engineering records. It stands as a massive monument to human willpower and heavy-duty construction. With 5 massive runways, it is a heavyweight champion of global logistics. This is the massive Gwangju Baiyun International Airport,